What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about something I've been looking forward for. Well, one of the devices I've been looking forward for. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. So now, we're going to be sitting here talking about what's inside this box. But first, before I go into that, I want to make two statements. First, I'm excited because I get to wear green. I get to wear a green shirt. And it's really hard wearing a green shirt if you're behind a green screen most of the time. It looks like I'm disappearing like a ghost, right? Also, I want to give, somebody gave me this knife. They watched my YouTube videos and they got tired of watching me do unboxing videos with a pair of orange handled scissors. So he sat there and blessed me with a cool looking knife, and his name is Jordan. So I want to thank you again, Jordan. He got this for me some time ago, and I've just been itching to use it. Now I have a perfect reason using this, which is in here. So let's open this bad boy up. First, let's look at the knife first. You see how beautiful it is? So cool, it's smooth. You see how it is? Look at that. So now, we're gonna sit there and open this box up with this cool looking knife. No orange handle scissors. Oh, wrong end. I was using the back end just now. Wait a minute. It's not supposed to be sharp. Alright. Open the box. Dun dun dun. It is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Wow. And obviously it's a 5G variant. Wow. Really cool looking. So we're gonna go ahead and toss the stuff that does not matter to the side, because this is the main event. This phone right here. This is the good old main event. But of course, we gotta open up the back of the box. So we're gonna use this trusty old knife one last time. It's just so satisfying, you know. It really beats using a pair of scissors. This luscious knife. Thanks again, Jordan, for the beautiful knife. Yeah, pretty cool knife. Alright, so first we are going to be greeted with this beautiful display screen. And then you got the injection tool inside, which I'm not going to take out. Well, let me see how much I can take out for you guys. Yep, I broke it. So it's your injector tool right here. So then you got this beautiful phone right here. And what else you have? Oh, okay. So you got your charging accessory, you got your charging block, and like I said, there's been rumors that iPhone 12 may not come with this charging block. Only time will tell, right? You got the cord. Alright, so here goes this beautiful screen. I'm going to pull the plastics off, and we're going to talk about how lustrous this phone is, and look at the beautiful cameras. I mean, this phone feels really good in my hands. Like, I was wondering what's going to be feeling really bulky, but it's like long and narrow, but you still got that nice glass setup. Yeah, so I think getting the Note 20 Ultra is a smart choice. You don't have to worry about that plastic feeling, like that glass and plastic feeling. I don't know why Samsung decided to do that instead of all glass back. I don't know why, but man, this really feels good. It feels really good. Yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna turn the phone on and let's see what happens. Alright, so we got everything set up. I know you heard that old school sound. All right, and I already did the fingerprint scanner, starting the phone up. Oh, I didn't want to bore you with all the extra stuff, so we're going straight to the main event, like I said. So now, look at this beautiful phone. So beautiful. All right, so let's see what this phone does. So we got a few apps, of course. You know, the standard apps. You got the UI. How does it feel? It feels pretty fast. Got a new processor, so it feels pretty fast. It has a Snapdragon 865, and I mean, I can't complain. The camera, let's see. So looking for more of mine. So we got the camera. Oops, just took a picture of my table. Let me see. I just look at the camera. Let's see. It looks clear. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just look from here. It looks really, really clear. Yeah. I'm gonna take some pictures to show you guys an example. It looks really good. Then you got the selfie camera. Look at this. The selfie camera. It's on beautiful mode. See my silly looking face. Let's look at video. I know the video, it has 8K recording, and let's see what is the setup. Right now I set for 30 frames per second. I'm gonna do 8K at 24 per second. That's the option to give you at the rear, and then you got the front. You have, let's see, you got 60 frames per second. That's interesting. Let's see how this camera looks. Oops, it's still doing updates and stuff. I'm gonna do a recording. See, the selfie mode. It's pretty nice. Y'all can see my collection. Okay. I love the camera. I mean, I'm really impressed by the camera. Man, I mean, I don't really have nothing to say bad about the camera. Like, I really don't. I mean, it's cool, it's smooth, and the selfie, man, like, I'm telling you, Samsung, in my opinion, I think Samsung do some really good jobs with these selfie cameras and stuff. I can see a little piece of my game room. Look at that. It's nice. Just love how it looks. You see my little Google Home, see some of my posters back there. I mean, I don't have anything to say about it. I mean, it's really cool looking. I mean, I love the camera. I think a lot of people buy these phones is really because of the camera, the quality. And I mean, I'm telling you, it's nice. You guys know that I'm rocking with the Note 9. And I mean, I gotta be loyal to the Note 9. Gotta be loyal to it. But I mean, I think overall, I mean, just from just like looking at it without like doing a deep dive, I think the phone's pretty nice. What else it has? I know it has the stylus. Let's see. And this particular model has 128 gigs of storage. And of course, you got the expandable storage as well. And also have 12 gigs of RAM. So that's really good. You got your different notes and stuff. Live messages, Doodle, Translate. Let me see. Let's do live messages. I never really messed with live messages before. Okay, I don't know what that's about. Oh, okay, so that's for camera. Do color. Select background. Okay, start drawing. Okay, so I guess I say dancing with. Oops, I hit the middle button. Tech. Yeah, I'm done. Let's see what this do. Oh, okay. So I think my Note 9 has this feature. I'm not sure. I don't really like typically use all the gimmicks that Samsung offers and stuff like that. I know this have like motion control as so you do different gestures and stuff. I think if you guys like a big stylish person, you probably gonna utilize this a whole lot more, like using the S Pen. Also, the S Pen has a lot of modification. Like they got rid of a lag. I think the lag they got it down to, I know it's under 10 seconds. But I mean, even honestly, compared to my Note 9, I mean, I really still can't really tell a difference, honestly, as far as like writing. But the latency went down by 40 seconds. Um, I probably want to show you how it looks too, compared to Note 9 and the S20 Ultra. And I don't think it's, and also too, if you think about the Note 10 Plus, I can't tell a big difference in the lag between the S Pen. Like, let me show you. Let me just open up a note. Create a note. Hello. It says like writing with a real pen. Can you see me? I mean, so yeah, I don't, to me, the Note 9 does the same thing, but they said they got these different upgrades for the S Pen. I'm not saying they don't, because, they got the specs and stuff, but, I mean, I don't know. I can't really tell a difference, and you got the fingerprint. It snaps. I love that fact, it snaps. So, it snaps, it's good. But, that's all I got to say about the Note 20 Ultra. I think, am I super excited about this phone? I am excited about the phone. Do you think, should I upgrade? Is it worth upgrading from my Note 9 to the Note 20 Ultra? Or do I think I should wait? Personally, I'm gonna be honest, and Samsung be listening, I love Samsung. You guys have a lot of features I love. I mean, one thing I like about Samsung, they always take chances. They come up with different gimmicks and stuff, and they take a lot of chances. I don't like that. I mean, personally, I like taking chances. But I'm gonna be keeping real with you guys. Do I think it's really worth paying all this money, paying $1,300-$1,400 for this phone? I think I paid about 13 some change. Honestly, I don't think it's worth the upgrade. Not right now, unless you got like a Note 8 or something like that, or like an older phone like 3 years ago, then yeah, I would definitely upgrade. But just from the Note 9 to the Note 20 Ultra, I keep wanting to say S20, but to the Note 20 Ultra, I don't really think it's a necessary big upgrade. I mean, unless you want the fingerprint in the display screen, then okay, that's cool. I mean, I still like the fact that with the Note 9 you could put your finger and opens up. So I mean, it's not a big deal to me. It's not a deal breaker. Do I recommend people buying this phone? Yeah, it's like this. If you got a phone from last year or a year for last, you can wait. Like, you can wait. I mean, that is my opinion. But if you got the money, you want something new and high on the market, hey, this is a phone for you. This is definitely a phone for you. And I think you will enjoy it. Other people ask me questions. Is it worth upgrading from the S20 to the Note 20? No, it's pretty much the same phone. I mean, you get like a little bit more screen real estate. You get an S Pen, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this has the same processor. I think. Don't quote me on that one. I can't think right now. But if you got the S20 Ultra, it's not worth upgrading to the Note 20 Ultra. Anything, I will wait till next year. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. I'll wait next year, see what they're gonna do next year. I don't think I don't think it's a big upgrade from the last generation to the next generation. You got tweaks and stuff right here. But now we're talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which I will be getting my hands on and doing a detailed review on it soon when it launches out. We could talk about upgrading the Note 9 to that phone. We'll just see though. That's just talk. But I just want to give you guys my honest review on this phone. I think that if you are a person looking for getting the Note 20 Ultra, don't get the regular version. I mean, if you're going to do that, then just get the Note 10 Plus from last year. If you're going to get the regular edition of the Note 20. But if you are going to get the Note 20, get the Ultra. Yes, it's a little more expensive, but honestly, you're probably happy that you got the Ultra, because you don't want, like I said before, you don't want the glassed back plastic and glass. You want this. You want the glass bag because you be able to do reverse charging, and you be able to do. And it has a nice feel to it. Like it feels nice. It feels nice, and I love the color as well. And that's all I can really say about the phone. It's a nice phone. Camera looks great. I mean, looking for a great phone with great camera. I think that if you already have the S20, I think you're fine at the department. Now they do have the 100x zoom, whereas the Note 20 Ultra has a 60x zoom, and I'm glad Samsung went ahead and corrected that, because it was just a nice gimmick, but when you got to like 100x, it was blurry, very distorted. But with the 60x zoom, the image is nice and clear. It's not as distorted as 100x zoom with the S20 Ultra. But that's all I have to say. I do thank you guys for checking me out. Like I said, this is my honest review. I'm gonna be doing some more stuff with this phone, so we kind of like see if this is the phone for you or not. Are you gonna wait for next year? Are you considering any other phone? But stay tuned for more videos of the S20. Oh God, I keep wanting to say S20. The Note 20 Ultra. Note 20 Ultra. Alright guys, you take care. Don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, like, and leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you're going to upgrade to the Note 20 Ultra. I'm not even going to ask about the Note 20. We're just talking about the Note 20 Ultra. See you later.